Guys, ito ang favorite spot namin sa Isla Cabana, sa resort namin. Kasi pag dumadaan kami dito, feeling namin langgam kami. So, POV to ng langgam. Hindi siya puno, mga halaman siyang malalaki. So, yan. Pag dadaan kami dito, feeling namin may biglang tatapak sa aming tao. Ah, si Bossing! Bossing! Ganon.
I'm Bebu.
Hi, Bebu!
We are moving to a new accommodation.
Yes.
This is Tropical Temple. And let's go.
It's a temple.
Hi! So checking in at our room here at Tropical Temple. There's already someone who's very excited because there's a dog here. Okay, so let's pass. Aray, tinamaan yung ulo ko ng dahon. Anyway, this is the facade of our room. There are 2 chairs. There's my babu.
Naka-dual video ka?
Yeah, it's my babu. Super cool. There's some plants here. And then, let's go inside. So, when you get in, it's immediately our bed. Super clean lang yung ano dito, yung room. Super clean vibe, so we like that. So, there are side tables on both ends. And then, we have like sort of some storage here. Our stuff are already there. Our luggages. There's also a rack over here. And then here is the restroom. So when you go in, hi! If you haven't noticed yet, I'm using the dual view of my OPPO Reno5. Super cool. So there's this mirror here and 2 sinks. So we don't have to fight over one sink. And then here is the shower area. And the toilet area. Diyan ka, love. So you'll see me. Are you ready?
Tropical Temple is the place to be.
Akala ka ba kakanta? Ready ka na? I'm gonna sing. Elsa!
Do you wanna build a snowman?
Come on, let's go and play!
Elsa? Go Yana!
Go Yana! And that's the end of the room tour. So, oh, the best part about this is when we go out. Excuse me, my love. It's already the pool view or the pool. So that's cool. This is what it looks like, this place. It has rooms upstairs as well, but we are happy that we are just here. There's already a sleeping dog in front of our place.
He knows how to spot a dog love.
Hi! Hello! Also, I'm using the Ultra Steady because my hands are shaky. So, this will greatly help me and my shots.
And your pasmano, Haman.
I know! So, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna eat.
Ang tagal? Oh my God!
Meron tayong reservations.
Ang dami! What are your reservations?
We have a reservation at 1 p.m.
Okay.
Well, you know, it's a restaurant. We love
Cup ka.
We keep coming back.
We keep.
Sorry, doggy.
So it's a restaurant that we have been to at
It's a
night.
restaurant we've been raving about, so
So.
let's go. Ang commercial.
Nako, may maagang malalasing.
Two times.
Good morning! It's day 2 at Tropical Temple. Today we have an island tour, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. But we are going out for a quick breakfast first. Vedya is quite near this place, so we're gonna walk there. We have eaten at Vedya and we wanted to get coffee there, so let's go. What did you do? What's the rule?
Go swim first inside.
What did you do?
Come on.
Cutesies. Hi.
Thank you.
They gave us stickers. Hi, Dots! Siya ang kasama namin for the tour.
May I have your attention, please? So, by the way, my name is Dots Taylor. DOD is Dot. So, today, we're going to have an island hopping. Our first stop is the Naked Island. The second stop is Dapo Island, which we have our lunch there. And then lastly, the Guyam Island. But before we proceed to Guyam Island, we are going to go to Secret Island.
Secret
So, like that. That's all.
Thank you! Thank you! lang yan.